Okay, so this is another way to clean out your earbuds if you're having issues with the microphone sound. If like people can't hear you on the other end of the line, that means your microphone is clogged, and so this mesh right here is where the microphone is. And see those things are clogged. I previously showed you the toothbrush method. This is another method where I got this kit, this cleaning kit, and I got the link in the description for this. And it comes with these clay bars. So you take one of the clay and you just push it in. And it cleans them out. Just do it a couple times. The problem with the toothbrush method is it pushes dirt in, but this actually sticks to the clay. And you do this once in a while, and your microphone will always be clear. And do it to both pieces until they're completely unclogged. And then there's another hole right here. And there you go. That will fix it.